In order to increase student achievement and enhance the learning process, classroom climates should value a positive mindset. Our mindsets significantly influence our cognitive processing. Research shows that students with a growth mindset tend to be more intrinsically motivated and better able to problem solve when faced with challenges or difficulties. This allows for our students to be lifelong learners and problem solvers. The International Journey of Mathematics Education in Science and Technology recognizes the significance of this positive mindset approach in the classroom. This association states that fixed mindset beliefs are linked to behaviors that can lead to avoiding challenges and reduced learning. In efforts to develop lifelong learners, teachers build persistence when encouraging students to keep working through challenges and difficulties. You, as a teacher, can have a significant impact on helping students shift to a growth mindset from a fixed mindset. You might start by taking a quiz on your mindset. See where you are in that. See what you could work on. What could you help your students work on? Teach students the process of making mistakes. A good starting point might be a read aloud about mistakes or overcoming obstacles. Here are a few examples of some titles that you might enjoy. The Girl Who Never Made Mistakes or Beautiful Oops. Those are both great places to start. Now, let's train the brain.